Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Garage and to I Am Cat. And today we're going to be hopefully finding the little cow pump. And if we don't find it, well, then that's going to be very annoying. So first, let's just explore this area a bit. What's down here? There's nothing. What? Did I seriously find the pump? No, this is not a pump. This is a fire extinguisher. I still can see if it works though. It does not. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Oh. What's that? Yep, bounce a tile. Attach the wheel to its axle. And screw the wheel's bolts. So I need to find out how to... I'm not a freaking mechanic. I need to figure out how to attach the wheel to its axle. Oh, whatever. Come on, turn on freaking TV. I may have broken the TV, but it seems like he's. It seems like he doesn't know. These screws are way too big. Nice. What if I do this? Can they even fit? They can. What? This is the wheel that I'm supposed to do. Wait, this probably isn't the correct wheel. It might be. But this definitely is not the right screw. What do I need? Who's in? Yellow? Makes the tough. I have no idea how to complete this level. I'd have to make like a breakthrough just to make it this. See, and just to make this area alone. Not like 18 episodes long. Let's try checking the drawers. Okay, it seems this doors cannot be opened. Okay, what if we try and okay. If we try unscrewing this tile. This is not normal. This looks like the machine I'm supposed to use. I feel like this is the machine. After resting up for a day with a fresh mind, I feel like this is the pump. I just need to find a way to attach it somehow. That means exploring. What tool do you use? Oh! He has range. He has range. Creeping me out.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is what it means.
Huh? Hey!
Why isn't letting me on here? Thank you. Now let me on here. Now let's put this there. This here. And finally, this here, and see what happens. Nothing happened. Okay, close the footage. I cannot. Okay, wait. Find the footage. Ooh. There's a level. No, that's not a level. Some squirrels. Easy. Did I complete the challenge? Let's try again. Just in case. Ah, fine. Just stay. I'm not going to be testing my block. Yes. Oh. Okay. How does this exercise thing work? Do you? Okay. Right, well, let's just get a little protein shake. Delicious. No. Time to then left.
Hey. Look, 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 look.
Oh, hold on. It happened in Chicago. The frick? How did this happen again? Okay, hold on, let me just. This. Come on, spin that around. No, wait. That's how the cat is casually here. Casually. What if I was trying to do a cat button? Casually just lifting this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, how about this? I'm a professional at racquetball. Okay. What's that? Rifle. Anyways, back to my goal. I need to find a pipe that'll let me hit the dinghy. Some type of extension code. Maybe something in the box. No. The box is a solid block. How about in the car? There might be something in the car. Nope, nothing in the car. What is this even used for? Can I put this on here? No, because again, that's a solid block. I don't know how this works. Oh, it's like it can do that. At least my minor changes are saved. Oh wait, I just noticed I can complete the missions. Oh, I can complete the missions in its not in the order that it wants me to. So let's clear the stuff out.
Look, 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 look.
Let's put some gas in it. What's a little gas thingy? I probably need you to open the thingy. And to open the thingy, I need to get the key. And the key is right there. Oh. The game lagging for a second. Not sure what you guys can see. Okay. Technical difficulties, don't worry about that. Game just how minor lag spike. Seriously, where is this pump? I found the pump. I need the pipe. And for the pipe, I need that's just this whole freaking thing. Okay, but it seems like my progress on the cow is still saved. Okay, open these. No, there's probably no way I can open them. Okay, let's. Oh wait, I need that sponge to clean the cow. That makes sense. Why doesn't it go in?
Look, look, look.
I need to complete the other quest first.
Huh?
Maybe he has the keys to the cow. Yeah, wait, let's clean this out. Get all this freaking stuff off. Nice. Now as soon as I'm able to find the pump or whatever is stopping me from finding the other stuff. Attach the wheel to his. Hello.
Huh? Oh.
Is this the wheel? I think I already figured that out. I just need to know what the axis is. Hold up, maybe. Hold on, I have an idea. Okay, this is what I need to do. Somehow. I don't get it. Oh my god. And I can press this. on the axis. I made a playthrough! And now... I tighten the bolts.
Huh?
Okay, I can fix the cause damage with a hammer. Don't know how that works, but this is a game in VR. I'm not gonna question it. All you need to do is... Yeah! I did what I was supposed to, but more dense. Okay, now... all I need to do is find the level and put the engine in the car. Okay, I forgot what this did, so let's see. Oh yes, that's what I did. For some reason I have an odd an odd feeling that here's a boxing guy. Okay, I have an odd feeling that the boxing robot has something to do with it. Haha, I got enough of you fuckos. Okay, now be free. What's this? What is it? Shoot. Dog? I got a freaking dog gun?
Huh?
Put a couple hundred dots in his, you know. Oh, I forgot. And it seems like he's not angry. So I can check what's in the helmet. Oh, let's get this. See if this fan does anything. And get into the window. So, come on, let me in. Let me in, Chief. You think I need to put some money in there? Nope, nothing in here. Whatever. What's in there? Nothing. Of course it's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. And you find a missing
Huh.
thing. Try to get in one of these boxes. It seems inconspicuous enough to be in one of these. I have nothing in it. How is that freaking level? Right, can't even hide anything in those. Are those eyes following me? Well, I think the eyes are following. Yep, the eyes are following me. That's freaking creepy. Explode vehicle. Then you freaking look at me. Freaking creepy. If I do this enough to possibly do that. No, fuck. It would be that freaking level. It says find, so it's definitely hidden. But hidden where? Is a question. Is it hidden in the leaves? Is it hidden in the mist? Is it hidden in plain sight? Do I need to steal it from one of the operating machines? This blocking the suspiciously looking vent. It must be in here. Never mind. Where is this gosh thing? In the car? In here? Imagine hiding it in there. It's such a good spot. Am I stupid? Right, well, let's just touch up on the paint job and be done with this. Hold. Alright, wants me to re-yellowify. Splash pulse. Nice. Oh yes, we don't need that. Especially not on this dumb looking car. It just makes the car look dumber. Oh no, it just wanted me to get out of the exit pod.
Huh.
Fix the dashboard. Don't know what the dashboard is, but I need to fix it. Yeah, I'm also stamped on that pod. Whatever. This is so freaking dramatic. Is that master hide? So that he doesn't freaking knock me out when he wakes up. I need to find it though. First. So I'm just doing freaking side quests until. What, is this the dashboard? It looks like it could. Yes. And I can press this. No, because I'm freaking stupid. That's not even the dashboard. Is the dashboard outside? Oh no, let's look at the image. It gives me absolutely nothing. What even is a dashboard? Unless this is the thing. I'm just being stupid again. I was being stupid again. And now there's a camera. Yeah, but I thought so. Whatever, let's become a photographer. But the car's not freaking done yet. Is that I need to take a picture of the house or whatever. This is a bad angle. It's not like the freaking level thingy is just gonna follow the sky. Nice. Now it's unavoidable. I need to find the level. Is it under his hat? Pick me up. So, pick me up. Oh, come on, pick me up. Come on. Pick me up. Pick me up. Up. Come on, don't make me have to climb you. But, come on. You want to pick me up? I guess in episode 2, auto methods. If you walk away, I swear to God, if you have to freaking level that, I'm going to be angry. Okay, not. You just not have to level. One. Okay. Close that. Yeah, I think I've got reset this room. real quick. Alright. Let's try this again. Still did absolutely nothing. Spin, bow. Checking this. I think you're hiding it. Oh, you're hiding it. I think he's hiding it. Give me a key. I need a key. I need a piggy bank. Get the piggy bank, and you can go to the house. If I go to the house, I get the key, and get the friggin' coin, and don't tell me. Okay. Oh god. Right. Let's take these out. Because they're beginning to annoy me. Hold up. Oh, come on.
Ooh.
Oh! Fuck. Actually, I squeezed him. Well, that's gonna be all for today's fail. I'm gonna look for the level and report to you guys when I'm done, okay? Cool.